Too many feathers up in this biatch.
So who's that girl there? I wonder what went wrong so that she had to roam the streets. She doesn't do major credit cards, I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite legitimate. And just give him half a chance, I bet he'll rob you if he can. Yeah, that he's got a driving ban amongst some other offences. And he told Roxanne to put on her red light. But he'll be alright, cause he's a scumbag, don't you know? I said, who's that girl there? I wonder what went wrong.
Yeah,
so
fantastic.
She had to roam the street.
Fantastic.
She doesn't do major credit
Shout
cards.
to T.
Now she does receipts.
Shout to Friendly Fires. Yeah. Shout to
What a
Jimmy
scummy man.
Shout to Machine Drum.
Just give him half a chance.
Yeah.
I bet he'll rob you if he can.
Shout to W Hotel.
In his eyes, yeah,
It's
that
not-
he's got a
it's not a normal
driving
thing.
ban amongst some other offences.
Shout to Skream and Disclosure. What?
And I've seen him with girls of the night, and he told Roxanne to put on her red light. They're all infected, but he'll be alright, cause he's a scumbag, don't you know? I said he's a scumbag, don't you know? Although you're trying not to listen, I bet your eyes are staring at the ground. She makes a subtle proposition. I'm sorry love, I'll have to turn you down. Oh, we must be up to summer. I've got a feeling in my stomach. I start to wonder what his story might be, what his story might be. They said it changes when the sun goes down around here. Around here. Look, here comes the portmanteau. Isn't he Mr. Inconspicuous? She's in a stance ready to get picked up. Bet she's delighted when she sees him, pulling in and giving her the eye. Because he
Boiler Room! We're going into overtime here.